Hey everybody, it is Megan and Nate, and we're really excited today to bring you a Monday Moments collaboration that we couldn't be more excited about. I can't be more excited about because it means other good things are going to be coming my way soon. Oh, did you think about that?
No, I didn't think about that part.
Maybe not good things. I don't know at this point.
Ouch.
Just kidding. All right, so we're really excited. Groove Life is a brand new collaboration partnership that came to Nate and I, and we're like, do you want to share our stuff? And we're like, yeah, because we love your stuff. It's an outdoors company, and they're just rolling out a brand new adventure line. So we have some goodies to share inside the box. Go ahead and start opening it up, babe. We ordered our wedding bands and a couple extra bands. Groove Life specializes in silicone wedding bands that are guaranteed for life. Literally, their website says if it falls into a toxic waste bin, or you lose it, or it gets cut or stretches, it's an absolutely no BS policy. They will replace your ring. And with this outdoors guy, and with his job that he does, and all the woodworking that he does, first of all, silicone rings are a whole heck of a lot safer. Yes, they are less expensive, but they're breathable, and they can be really customized with a lot more personal meaning, which we're going to show you in a minute what we picked. You ready? Okay. So, we also are taking part in unboxing and sharing with you all the new Find Your Adventure line with some really cool hats and t-shirts. And we're gonna pull it all out. We each got a t-shirt that really fits the outdoor lifestyle, and we got a couple hats. We got matching hats. Mine's white and yours is black though.
So they're almost matching.
Not almost matching. Okay, where do you want to start? T-shirts or hats?
Let's do
or
the
rings?
hats right there.
Okay, we have 3 different hats because these are the 3 different style hats that they offer. And we did get, even though they have different, it's got a sticky thing. We don't need a knife for everything. Okay, so 3 different style hats: mesh trucker hats, and then flat brim hats. So, snapback, flat brim, which I guess you could seriously bend, right?
I don't know.
Are you going to?
Yes.
Yeah, that'll bend. You can, because he's like, no, we don't do flat brim.
Yeah, we bend.
We bend our hats. Okay, so we can shape that a little bit later. But I love the color of it, and I love that it's a really cool trout. And it says Groove Life. And I love that their little logo is the Infinity knot, which is really cool. All right, you gonna wear it? Oh, all right. And then we each got the bear, the Groove Life bear. So these are the trucker hats, snapback. Freaking cute. I got white, he got black. I'm gonna put it on. It's gonna take some shaping. And it's definitely too big. I gotta tighten it. But it's super cute. I love trucker mesh hats. A lot. Anyway, so they have a ton of really cool stuff with the bears, the trout. They even have Yeti, which is really fun, to have a little Yeti.
Big.
Is it big? Deer, elk, on and on and on. So the adventure gear is pretty phenomenal. We got 2 t-shirts. Hopefully, oh, this is so cool. Check out the little sticker that came with it. It says Find Your Adventure. And it's a bear. Oh my gosh, babe, I love it. Longitude and latitude that is on there. I wonder where it goes. We're going to have to plug that in later. It says Find Your Adventure, Groove Life. So this one's Nate's. This is the olive heather with a deer. And then I got for myself, because it's all about be strong and good stuff. And I got a buffalo for Find Your Adventure. So we got a bear and a buffalo. I got a small, and it's an eagle. Super cute. I really like it. So this is the heather blue. So he got the heather olive, and I got the heather blue. Okay, so those are our shirts and our hats. And now for the really good stuff. At least I think. I'm excited.
I'm sure you are.
We got the wedding bands. All right. And Nate is just completely, he's going up to the mountains this weekend. What are you doing this week? Well, I guess by the time you watch this, maybe he will be back from the mountains. But what are you doing in the mountains?
Do some archery bear hunting and archery buck.
Archery bear and archery buck? I'm not showing you yet. This is exciting.
That's why we picked these. But we trout fish, we bear hunt and deer hunt.
He says we, meaning I make the stuff. I made a really awesome dinner tonight with Jeremy.
Yes, you did.
Oh my word, these are so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, and the other thing, guys, that we're gonna just tell you really quickly while we have you here is to come back for the By Megan Elizabeth 12 Days of Giveaways, which starts Black Friday this year. He's gonna be hunting. No, wait, are you hunting on Black Friday? You're hunting bear the week before. Are you leaving on Black Friday again?
Actually, I will be here for Friday.
So he'll be here. But then during the 12 days after Black Friday, we're actually going to be doing a really fun extra giveaway and special with Groove Life. So you'll want to check back for that. But we just wanted to show you about this right now. You also have the opportunity to shop our collaboration with Groove Life by using this link below. We would love it if you did. You ready to see these rings?
Yes.
Okay. These are our custom Groove Life rings, meaning we ordered them custom made to have a very special, oh no wait, they're not, I lied. This is the custom one. This is the custom one. These are mine, these are yours. Apparently the girly ones come in a little silver tin that's open and the guy ones come in the black one. I did get an extra ring. Should I show them my extra ring first? I'm rambling. I'm excited. Hold these. Okay, first of all, I'll show you the extra ring. This is a ring I got just to have. It has absolutely nothing to do with wedding bands or anything that matches. I just really liked it because it's from their new Aspire collection. And it has this really very beautiful teal detailed feather design all the way around it. And I love it a lot. Isn't it so pretty?
Mm-hmm.
And they have great sizing charts. It's tight for my right hand. It'll fit on my left hand, which is what I got them for. Because that's what you're supposed to wear them on.
Mm-hmm.
I'll figure that out then. My left hand is a 5 and my right hand is a 5, but my left hand is a 4. Go figure. You know why? Do you know, fun fact. Fun fact, do you know why my left hand and fingers are smaller?
No.
You don't? Really?
Well, you broke something, right?
Yeah. I broke this wrist and hand in the growth plate 13 times.
So it makes sense.
So it is pretty though. Anyway, so silicone rings, once again, are just an amazing alternative for wedding bands and very popular regardless of being wedding bands because I got this one having nothing to do with the wedding band. But we got 2 different sets of matching weddings. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Open yours. We'll show the matching ones first. Well, they both match technically.
The other one?
Well, these are the custom ones.
So the other one.
Okay, you want to do the match? Okay. We have custom ones that match or coordinate, and then we have matching ones that I'm excited about. Come in a little cute case. Groove. I'm going to show yours in the box. So his says Groove on there as well. I guess the men's ring comes, I don't know if they just all come in different boxes or what the situation there is, but. Alright, so we're starting with these. These are the moss green. I got the thin, he got the original, so they're more the man style. This is more the female style. Matching. And then the inside, they are reversible. You can actually flip them around and you can wear the orange. So these are kind of the hunters.
I want to see what it looks like on the other side.
What it looks
So what we can do is we can wear orange
Yeah.
until...
Orange until what? Orange until it's time for camo?
Yeah.
Okay. And it says Groove, and it has the infinity bands or loops all around it, which is cool. Okay, ready?
Mm.
These are more the actual, like these are the extras, the official rings, I guess you could say. We got custom ones that we ordered from them. They do all kinds of custom designs. You can actually get your own personalizations on them, anything that you want. But these we felt best represented several things for him and I, so we went with this design on it. Do you want to tell them what it is?
Well, it has the antlers on it.
What?
This way.
This way. What do the antlers stand for? Backwards.
It stands for big buck.
Big buck. Stuck
And
in your mouth.
also stronger together.
Stronger together. Give it here. Put it in front of my hand so they can see the antlers. That's so cool. Let me see. I want to see the antlers. That looks awesome. So they basically like melt stamp it in and then fill it in with color. So his is in a gray, which probably we could have gone with a brighter color on his ring is called Anchor, is the color, and then the inside is more the white pearl. And then mine, I just got the pearl with black antlers on mine, because I figured the pearl would actually look much nicer with the Someday engagement band. Guys, enjoy the moment. Anyway, is there anything else you want to say about Groove Life other than a big, huge thank you guys for collaborating with us?
I think it's definitely worth checking out.
Yeah, it's a pretty awesome company. Create your adventure and enjoy a life you love. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!